Bitcoin's price is breaking out right now, and I'm going to show you exactly how you should be playing this. So if you look on my screen right here, you can see the current price of Bitcoin is breaking above this level of resistance. In fact, this is Ethereum, but the same applies over to Bitcoin that is currently trading like this. So let me show you exactly how I intend on playing this. Essentially what we've got is a level of resistance now that Bitcoin has broken above. However, this is currently only the 1 minute chart, so we can't take a whole lot of information from it. What we're actually looking for when it comes to Bitcoin's price really breaking out would be essentially a break of the downtrend that we've been stuck in essentially for a while now. So that would be essentially a break of around about, I think that's $38,700, give or take a little bit. So essentially we need to be trading back above $39,000. However, this is looking very bullish. So let's look at some of the indicators that we have down here on the 15-minute chart. We're about to go bullish again. The RSI is looking very nice. If we go over to the higher time frames again, things are starting to trend to the upside. The MACD is going bullish. The RSI is looking quite nice. And it does look like we should be heading towards this yellow line of which I have just drawn. It is important to point out that when it comes to Bitcoin's price, what we've been doing a lot of recently is this, whereby Bitcoin's price hits this resistance level. It keeps hitting this resistance level, and we're stuck between, I mean, you can see it pretty clearly now. We're a little bit more zoomed out. You can see that we're trapped within this range. But as soon as we break to the upside of this range, that is when we can say with confidence that it is a great time to buy Bitcoin, and that we would be expecting the price of Bitcoin to rise. So what is the current trade to be had on Bitcoin's price right now? My opinion when it comes to trading Bitcoin's price right now would be very cautiously optimistic as per usual, but I'm also trying to be, you've got a YouTube comment notification that I can't edit out because we're not editing these videos. But anyway, I'm cautiously optimistic. I think that Bitcoin's price is going to continue to rise to the upside. I feel like we've had so much downwards recently. It's been all very much caused by the Russia-Ukraine scenario. And the Russia-Ukraine scenario isn't going to come to an end. We're just going to have to learn to live with it. And ultimately, if all financial markets, they're just scared right now. But when you have certainty, even with war, there is certainty. And that certainty is coming. Hence why I think that confidence is being restored in the markets. We're starting to see that reflected on the Bitcoin indicators right now. And I'd be interested to see your comments on that in today's comment section. So leave a comment. What are your thoughts on Bitcoin's price right now? We can quickly analyze the price of Ethereum as well. So let me show you what's going on with that. Essentially a very similar scenario whereby Ethereum's price, has been obeying this downtrend. And this downtrend, if I draw it with a much straighter line, you'll be able to see it a little bit better. But essentially that's the downtrend that Ethereum has been obeying. And if we look at the to the upside, oh, my hand is aching from carrying this camera. It's quite heavy. Anyway, there we go. So what we need to be doing is breaking through this level here. And on Ethereum, that level currently sits at and around $2,700, as you can see, kind of around here. So that's the levels of which I'm trading. That's what I'm expecting for Bitcoin and Ethereum's prices. If we break above those levels that I've suggested, I'm expecting the price to rise. Otherwise, we'll keep ranging sideways. But at some point in time, we are going to break this downtrend. I expect it's going to be fairly soon. I do favor the long side over the short side right now. I don't feel like there's that much meat left in the short positions. However, I could be wrong. And again, if we break below the support level on Ethereum of $2,600, and if we break below the support level on Bitcoin of $3,750, I'm quite bearish. So just keep that in mind. And yeah, that's today's trading update for now. I'll be back in a little bit.